Please focus. There we go. Yay! Thought we were. Welcome to Charlottesville, Virginia. My first time here. Now look, I know I'm on this trip to be, or this bucket list to make all 50 states, but I've already been to Virginia many times, but I'm here for a wedding. So if you'd like to check out things that's happening in the wedding, make sure you check out my last My Royal Diaries, because that's the wedding and stuff is in that one. But this is all about Charlottesville and what we're going to see and explore. I do have my aunt here. I did not come here by myself. We'll get her in a second. So they're waving. Oh, but who am I? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you. My name is Rokia, also known as MsQueenRo. I am a full-time entrepreneur, full-time working as a brand strategist, part-time digital content creator. And like I said, we are on a trip here in Charlottesville. My first time in this town, however big it is. And I'm really interested. So now we are actually at the Jefferson School City Center. It's a historic African-American place that we're going to visit. We literally just got off the road. It took us about 4 hours, a little over 4 hours to get here from Charlotte, North Carolina. And we are going to visit here first. The weather is actually colder than what we thought. I don't have my phone on me right now, but it's probably hitting late 50s, probably. Yeah. Yeah, because it's not really sun here. As you can see, it's a little bit cloudy, a little bit of overcast. But we're gonna make the best of it, right, Auntie? True. This is true. We're gonna make the best of it. So let's go inside and check this place out. She is. Look at her. Charlottesville, Virginia. That's where we are. Let's go. All right, so this is where we're going, the Jefferson School African American Heritage Center. Well, we can always ask, because I have no idea where to go inside. Yeah. Oh, here, Auntie, it's right here. Yeah. Yeah, right. So this is giving old school vibes. As you can see, this was definitely a school at first. You see the things right there, the chairs. Hold on. Let's turn you. Look, even the doors. So I'm gonna find out more, but I do know for a fact that this was the first African American school, or school for the blacks, early 1900s, I believe. But we had to go to the second floor. We found where to go. Talking about old school for coloreds.
Will explain all of what you need to know.
Okay, we'll read first and then we'll go that way.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay. Thank you. What was your name again?
I'm Andrea Douglas.
Andrea, Miss Andrea, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, let's read the history. Let's read the history. Well, Miss Andrea was nice enough to actually tell us, because we kind of got lost. We didn't know what to do. But so what we're going to do is look around here, kind of learn the history, read a little bit, and then we're going to go out to see more of the exhibition. All right, so what you're looking at now is the first graduating class of this school, 1867, she said. 1867 is when this school, I didn't know it was the late 1800s. That's interesting. Also, the reason why we have to kind of like be discreet is because there's like a function going on, and this way you hear me talking low. While they're like doing this break thing, I'm gonna try to read some facts for you guys. So the Freedmen generation tells the story of Jefferson schools, the Jefferson schools where we're at right now. First students, men and women mostly born enslaved. As they participated in the founding of Charlottesville Freedmen School, and later became teachers and principals of the first black public schools of Virginia. That's dope. And then also in the fall of 1865, as newly freed African Americans migrated to Charlottesville from outlying plantations, the New England Freedmen's Aid Society established a school alongside the local branch of Freedmen's Bureau. This lady named Anna Gardner, a former abolitionist from Massachusetts. If you don't know what an abolitionist is, it's a person of another culture, mostly white, that helped free slaves through underground ways to get there, to freedom. She led the Freedmen School, later known as Jefferson School, again where we are. The school had a dual purpose to provide basic education and to train future teachers. Another fun fact about the Jefferson School, 1869. Between 1869 and 1895, students and teachers worked on their lessons in a wooden schoolhouse located along the railroad tracks on West Main Street. So actually past those railroad tracks coming here, it's around the corner of this building. Not all interested black students were able to go to school because they couldn't afford it. Basically, they had to work the lands, period, to make a living for their families. So we're done. It was interesting. I don't know. Well, I don't think there was much to see, but they had that conference or meeting that was going on, so we really couldn't talk the way we wanted to see. But the only part that we were able to see really was just 3 rooms, just reading different facts about how the school came about and how blacks went from the late 1800s, right before slavery, right after slavery, up until the middle 1900s. So, yeah, I mean, it was interesting, don't get me wrong. Didn't pay anything to get in there. I don't think the experience was what we expected, but we still made the best of it. And there's the sign there. It says Jefferson School. All right, folks, we made it to the downtown mall. Basically, it's just an outside area with just shops and things to look at. It's just like a 13-minute walk from the the Jefferson School.
Just breeze through. I'm not gonna.
Came in this boutique type shop. Okay, tell me down below if you knew Virginia was for lovers, because I didn't know that. I don't know why it's for lovers, but it is. That's neat.
This because it gives. I feel like it's a style which you can look through my book in, and like I said, it appears in my book, and I give a whole backstory to it. But the innocence of the convicted, innocent, a pillar of life is the stainless white dove. Convicted, a cornerstone of death is the filthy black crow. A crest of hope, an emblem of death. They themselves contributed nothing to their likeness, victims of an omnipresence. So primitive they are, more than a separate race. In pairs they glide, most detestable is their grace. Rivals most feared, but by whose decree are they foes? A mutual hatred, deep-seated, but of its manifestation, little is known. Is it because the dove is so beautiful, or because the crow, so harsh on the eye, the horrid screams of the crows, or the silence with which doves fly? If a dove makes one smile, should not a crow make the same cry? Is life nothing but a death, and death the epitome of life? If doves and crows were humans, would they still share their ferocious strife? If I was a crow on the outside, but a dove within, would you believe my lies?
So what was the significance of this?
Again, I like to read this poem because I feel like it gives you a lens through which you can look at my book. It's very poetic. My style, from first page to the last page, is very poetic. But you also see in this poem a trait that is distinctive to my style. I'm constantly coupling and pairing together opposing words and terminology and weaving them together. The dove and the crow, the crest of hope and the emblem of the death, even impossibilities instead of impossible. I'm going to say I appreciate your support.
No doubt, sir. I appreciate your ambition.
Thank you so much. Y'all just passing through, or y'all here for the Tom Tom Festival, or what?
What is a Tom Tom Festival? I bought Sheldon's book to support the brother. He has very much ambition. Not to mention, his story does sound interesting, so something else to read. My auntie's taking us to a bookshop. Been here for a little while, but I'm not from here.
Okay, what is Tom Tom? What is that about, you know?
Look, y'all, there's a Q-Wins. That's my ice cream shop. So there's a Q-Wins in Charlottesville. Who would have knew? Who would have thunk it? So FYI, nobody knows what the Tom Tom Festival is. We've asked like 2 people, and nobody can explain what this festival is. So apparently I'm gonna have to Google this later. But this is supposed to be a big thing. There's signs like everywhere, but nobody knows what the Tom Tom Festival is.
You come back and tell us.
Thank you. There's people that are on the ballot. That's people number 3. We ask again, do y'all know what the Tom Tom Festival is? I don't know. It's been held here for every year, but you grew up here and you don't know what the Tom Tom Festival is. We're not asking anybody else. Look at this old school movie theater. How I would love to go see a movie in this place. I don't know if I've ever been to an old school movie theater. People not to know what the Tom Tom Festival is. I mean, people are getting set up for it. Whatever's happening tonight at the Tom Tom Festival is going to be big. Too bad we're not going to see it because we don't know what it is. Well, walking back to the car, we smelled this good old barbecue smell. I mean, not for her because she's a vegetarian, but for me, let's go into, what is this? Vision Barbecue to see what they have because I'm gonna need a plate to take back to the hotel. All right, folks, we made it to our hotel. Getting ready to check in. Well, actually, we just checked in. We're grabbing our stuff now. We're staying at the Staybridge Suites. It's actually a pretty good area. It's pretty congested with like a lot of things, not to do, but like to eat and if you want to Target or something like that. Oh, so what I do like about this place is right when you walk in, there's like cookies to eat as well. I've never seen a soap dispenser in an elevator. I mean, I'm not mad at it.
Truly is a soap or a cleansing.
I think it's a sanitizer, yeah. I mean, I've never seen it in an elevator.
I think I've seen it, but more discreet.
Here we are, 421. Look, y'all, this is so cute, right, Auntie?
It is. It's super duper cute.
It's like it's have a full refrigerator, and there's a microwave, and why do we have a dishwasher? I don't know, but hey, well, I'll take it. A cabinet full of stuff, like dishes. Oh, Auntie, they have
dishes?
Yes.
Wow, that's why we have a dishwasher.
Yeah, like real dishes.
Real dishes.
Real dishes.
And a toaster up there.
Yeah. I mean, I guess this is for a place for like people to stay longer. Yeah. They have you.
Bring your fur off.
Yes. Oh, yeah, that's true. So we were going to bring Sherry Olivia, but I was thankful to find a sitter. As you guys, well, you probably have, no, it was in the vlog that y'all was seeing. Anyway, here's a coffee pot. Oh, they have a little stove.
Isn't that something?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
And nothing in the fridge, right? Except for my water I just put in there. Great. Ooh, clothes. Full refrigerator. A little area, put your keys and things. And this will be a sofa bed. Oh, and there's a desk. I'll set up my computer over here. So Auntie's gonna sleep on the sofa bed or couch or whatever she wants to do. Because to get a double, because this was gonna be a solo trip. And I was like, Auntie, you want to come? She said yes. And for me to upgrade to a double queen, it was an extra $250. I said, no, thank you.
This works.
We'll make it work. We will make this work. Yeah, it's very pretty. Yeah, nice here. And
Bathroom is interesting, a little small.
yeah, bathrooms are usually like this. Yeah. Sink is out here. Oh, they have Dove products. Come on, fancy with the Dove products. They got your safe in here. Yep. Basket, ironing board here. And then nice shower. No curtain. We only have glass. We'll take it. With your toilet. Oh, I'm just so happy about these Dove products. But yes. So what do we give so far? 5 out of 5 this place.
5 out of 5 or 4.3?
What's the 4.3 for?
A small bathroom.
Oh yeah, the bathroom. I guess they expected, if this was maybe a double queen, it might have been a little bigger.
Yeah,
the bathroom.
But the kitchen, I guess.
Yeah, the kitchen makes it. It does. The kitchen makes up for the bathroom. So very nice. One more pan so you guys can see. Perfect. Great room tour. Not them having my name on the screen. Welcome to Charlottesville, Rokia. I'll take it. Yeah, let's look at the view while we got the camera up. We're on the 4th floor, but I mean, you can see some of the mountains, somewhat of a mountain. Yep, mountain's way in the back. All right, now that we checked in, of course, I'm about to eat my food now, and I'm a little disappointed. I mean, look how much fat is on this. This is supposed to be burnt ends. That's what they call burnt ends. Yeah, you go to a place to where they're not really catered to barbecue, and this is what you get. I taste the cornbread. That's good. Let me taste this collard greens. You know how it is when other people make collard greens. I don't know. It's not that bad. It's just it needs salt. Oh, I think there is some salt packets in the cabinet though. Okay, the macaroni and cheese is hitting. That's good. Shoot, that's why they got that as a side. I don't even do macaroni and cheese like that. Let me taste this part of this. All right, I mean, the meat is good. It's just like it's just going to be fatty. Good morning, everyone. We have gotten up, not because we wanted to, but the walls are apparently thin because there was a couple arguing at 6 in the morning. What could that man done to this woman at 6 in the morning to make her go off like she did? Nevertheless, that woke us up. We were just like, well, we up now. Breakfast, they do serve breakfast here, which I forgot until maybe that's the reason why we woke up. I was like, go eat. So I remember that they had served breakfast, and we were able to go downstairs to get breakfast. It opens at 6:30. And while we were on the way downstairs, we saw some of the places that some of the amenities that they offer, like the pool and the fitness center, and they have a laundry center because, I mean, this place is made for people to stay long periods of time, obviously. Hence this, why we have a full-fledged refrigerator. But yeah, so everything looks very nice, and it looks like you'll be very much accommodated nicely if you had to stay here for a long period of time. Which I don't know why somebody would have to stay in Charlottesville for a long period of time, but that's their business. That's their business. What's up, Orioles? Editing Rokia here, and I just realized I never closed out the Charlottesville travel vlog. My bad. Basically, it really was 24 hours there because the next day where I left off at, it was Saturday, and that was the wedding day, which technically wasn't in Charlottesville. It was in a town outside of Charlottesville, up a mountain. So we really didn't do anything else. We had Saturday was the wedding, and then Sunday was us heading to Richmond, then back home. Like I said earlier in the video, if you want to check out any of the wedding footage, it was so beautiful, by the way, and you will hear the drama that I went through going up a mountain. Be sure to check out the vlog on My Royal Diaries, because that one is very interesting. And don't forget, as long as you subscribe, thumbs up this video, and leave a comment. Tell me how you liked. Have you been to Charlottesville? Tell me how you liked this one. I know there wasn't much to it, but I'm on any adventure, whether it's 24 hours or 7 days for the week. I'm going to capture it for you just in case you may not visit there. Well, leave a comment because we still do have that 10,000 follower contest going on. It is going on through May 31st. Again, if you're watching this after May 31st, I'm sorry. You can't enter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.